Well, beautiful beach. Some of people from the church or friends are out there. There's a whole group of people out there trying to ride that boat. I think it's getting to be high tide. It's coming in. Still low tide here. All the lemurs are shown. So this is Okinawa. For the Collins and the kids. People are supposed to be playing volleyball, but the nets are up and nobody's playing.